Everyone, let us solve the following. Write the first four terms of the AP when the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. The first term A is 10 and the common difference D is equal to 10. Okay, first term is 10 and common difference is also 10. Okay, right. We need to write the first four terms of that particular AP. Okay, right. So, what is the general form of an arithmetic progression? The general form of an arithmetic progression is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, and so on, where A is the first term and D is the common difference. Okay, and let us use this general form to find out the first four terms of the required AP, right? So what is given here? The first term A is given, that is 10, and the common difference D is given, that is also 10. So obviously the first term A is 10. Okay, and what is the second term? How we are going to find it out? Second term will be A plus D. A plus D. D means the common difference. A plus D means 1 into D. Okay, D. So A is 10 and the common difference is also 10. 1 into 10. Okay, 1 into 10 means 10. A plus D. 10 plus 10, that is equal to 20. That is the second term. So what is the third term? A plus 2D. Again A is 10, 2 into D is 10 again. So 10 plus 2 into 10, that is 10 plus 20, that is 30. Okay. And how we are going to find out the fourth term? Fourth term is A plus 3D. So where A is 10, the first term, and the common difference is also 10. That's why 10 plus 3 into 10. Okay. So 10 plus 30, that is nothing but 40. Okay, so when the first term A is 10 and the common difference D is 10, what are the first four terms of that particular AP? 10, 20, 30, and 40. That's it. Okay, thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.